Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create sub collections in Shopify. This is really easy. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what do we need to do is, first of all, we need to head over to, you can say like product section. There you have your collections. Now you can create a sub collection. So we have active, drafts, archived, and if you want to create sub collections, you can see we have various different options in here. So you can simply click on this plus icon, name your collection whatsoever you would like, incorporate a new collection, and within that collection you can choose products that you want to add, or if you still cannot find that feature here, you can simply search for your integration section, search for collections. Once you do that, you can see in the app store you are going to be getting a lot of apps that are going to be providing you options of sub collections and all that stuff. So make sure to head over to that and you will find something really relatable. Thank you so much and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.